Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a full face of NYX products. So NYX is finally back in South Africa and I picked up enough products to do a full face look for you today. We don't have everything available here yet, but I'm going to show you what I have and let you know if it's worth a purchase. Starting with the Plump Right Back Plumping Serum and Primer. This primer has a gel-like texture and a very light scent to it. It extends makeup wear while providing moisture. It grips the makeup for all-day wear and keeps your look fresh and glowy. It is packed with 5 skin-loving electrolytes to help your skin look smooth and plump. So this primer absorbs into the skin very quickly and it applies very well. So one thing that I like most about it is that instant plumping that you feel, that instant smoothness and the all-day hydration. I will show you what a nice glow it gives to the skin as well. So you can already see how much of a glow it gives. This is very nice to wear either on its own or under your makeup. It has a bit of tackiness to it as well, so it does help with the makeup to last all day. This has been one of my favorite primers to use and I wouldn't change anything about it. Next, we have the Brow Glue in shade Clear. This brow glue has a precise spoolie for easy application. It claims to be a flake-resistant formula that delivers 16 hours of non-sticky hold. It is also available in 4 tinted shades. So when first applying this brow gel, it does have a bit of a sticky feel to it, but once it dries down, the sticky feeling is actually completely gone and it doesn't leave any white residue and also no flaking. I didn't test this out for the complete 16 hours, but it did last very well throughout the day. So it does take a bit of time to dry down, but once it's dried down, the stickiness is completely gone. It does have a bit of a scent to it, but again, once you apply it, the scent basically disappears. We'll see you before and then the after. The spoolie has the perfect size, which makes it so nice for precision and it makes the application a lot easier. Moving on to eyeshadow, this is a 16-pan eyeshadow palette that contains mattes and shimmers. They claim that it has a vibrant shade with one swipe and it stands out on a diverse range of skin tones. The packaging is compact and durable, which makes it easy to take with you. Before going in with the eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Bear With Me concealer as a base. This has worked quite well for me in the past. I will also include a photo above just to show you the swatches of each shade in the palette. So they are all quite pigmented and you don't have to use a lot. I've noticed that the fallout is also very little with this, which I absolutely love. And it's very blendable and there's also no creasing when applying the eyeshadow, which is usually a problem for me. I do think that the base with the concealer works very well with this palette. I'm overall very happy with this palette, and it doesn't fade throughout the day. It's actually quite long lasting. Next up, we have the Buttermelt Glaze Soft Glow Skin Tint in shade Whipped Butter. This is a light formula with a subtle scent of mango and pina colada. This skin tint has a 93% skincare formula. It is infused with shea butter, mango butter and niacinamide, and it wears for up to 12 hours. It is a non-greasy glaze that leaves your skin smooth and protected. The skin tint is quite a thin formula, but it's not runny. It does provide light coverage. It is buildable to medium. It is lighter than a lot of other skin tints I have used, but this just provides such a beautiful glow, and if you have dry skin, you will definitely love this product. I'm just going to apply this with my fingers and then use a brush or beauty blender where needed. You can definitely see that instant glowy look. So I'm not going to put any setting powder over this, as it might take away from the glow, but we also don't have a setting powder from NYX in South Africa yet. So I'm going to leave it as is and then move on to concealer. Cut! For concealer, we are going in with the Bare With Me Concealer Serum in shade Fair. This is a lightweight liquid concealer that is packed with skin-loving ingredients. This gentle serum concealer hybrid helps to camouflage dark under eye circles, blemishes and dry skin patches. This provides medium coverage with a natural finish. The concealer is another great product for dry skin, so it provides medium to full coverage. It is lightweight, it has a serum-like texture, and it provides a lot of hydration. It doesn't get cakey, it doesn't crease under the eyes, but it does still provide the coverage that you need. I would usually set my under eyes as well, but for this case I'm just going to leave it since there's no setting powder, so we'll just continue to the next step. Next up, we have a dual-ended contour and highlighter stick. This has a blendable and creamy formula that is available in 8 shades. It has buildable coverage to achieve your desired look. I'm not going to apply too much of the contour stick since I got a shade that's a bit too dark. I'm just going to show you how it applies, how it blends in. The formula is very smooth, very blendable, and I love the applicator because it's very beginner friendly, so it makes it a lot easier and more precise to apply. You can see before and after. The highlighter part of the stick is a nice rose gold color. I unfortunately broke mine, but it's because I've been traveling around with it quite a lot. I'm going to apply it on my hand first and then on my cheek. I don't have the proper brush to apply this, so I'm just going to use my fingers for now. Moving on to blush, this is the Buttermelt Blush in shade Butter Together. This is a high pigment powder blush that is available in 12 shades. It is infused with mango butter, almond butter and shea butter. The pressed powder blush offers up to 12 hours of pigmented wear. It is also fade and transfer resistant. My favorite part of the routine has to be the blush. So when you use this, just make sure you don't use too much. It is very pigmented and it does have a beautiful shine to it as well. This is without and with the blush. Next up, we have On the Rise Volume Liftscara in shade Black. This lash lifting volume mascara features an innovative brush design that's part hourglass, part rounded, coating each lash in its matte black formula. This mascara is a great option if you want something that provides a lot of volume. It doesn't provide as much length, so it just depends on what you're looking for. I like that it doesn't smudge, it doesn't flake throughout the day, and my lashes also didn't fall down. It lasted very well. Initially, it was difficult to apply the formula when I first got it, as it was quite wet and it wasn't the easiest to apply. However, as I used it a few times, it became a lot easier as the formula dried down a little bit. This is the before and this is the after. It also provides great separation of the lashes without any clumping. Next up, we have the Duck Plump Plumping Lip Liner in shade Subtle Touch. This lip liner is formulated with spicy ginger and capsicum. It provides instant plumping from natural plumping ingredients. It is designed with a dual edge precision tip to help define, shape and fill your lips. It is available in 12 shades. The applicator of this lip liner is very nice. It has a nice 0.4 precision, but it's also very quick and easy to fill in the lips if you want to. The formula goes on very smoothly and it does provide a bit of tingle. I'm going to show you as well after the lip gloss the plumping effect that they both have on the lips. Next up we have the Duck Plump Plumping Gloss in shade Bang and Bear. It is formulated with spicy ginger and spicy capsicum. This plumping lip gloss is created with ingredients to plump your lips naturally using the power of your own circulation. So just like the lip liner, the lip gloss does have a lot of pigment, and I do like the applicator. It just picks up quite a bit of product, so I make sure to take a bit off before applying it. It has a moderate plumping effect and the tingling lasts for about 15 minutes. So here's the photo of the plumping effect. This is before the application, immediately after, 10 minutes after and 15 minutes after. Last but not least, we have the Dewy Finish Makeup Setting Spray. This claims to keep your makeup in place for up to 16 hours and provides a dewy finish that does not feel oily. It is smudge and transfer resistant. To finish it off, we're going in with the setting spray. So this one is quite strong when you spray it, so keep it a bit further away if you'd like. This provides a nice dewy finish and it gives you a nice fresh feeling as well. So this is the finished look. Overall, I am very happy with all of these products. Let me know which ones are your favorite and which ones you're very keen to try. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.